Hi scientist friends, today's video lesson is Slug Races. The big idea today comes from Next Generation Science Standards. Disciplinary core ideas. Science, Life Science 1A. Structure and function for 3rd through 5th grade. Plants and animals have both internal and external structures that serve various functions in growth, survival, behavior, and reproduction. Today we will investigate some questions. How does slime help slugs move? And what household substances are most like slime? We'll focus on slug movement for survival, specifically where slime comes from and how it helps them move. Slugs produce mucus, or slime, with cells in their skin called goblet cells. Did you know that we as humans have goblet cells too? I want you to think about 2 places in your body where you think you might have goblet cells. Now my helpers are going to think too. You can pause the tape now and then let it play after you think about and write down your thoughts. What do you think are 2 places on your body that might produce mucus with goblet cells?
Yeah, I think one of the main ones is your nose, because you like to pick your nose a lot and you tend to blow your nose a lot. So yeah.
I think another place is your throat. You always spit.
Okay, they came up with some really good ideas. I hope you came up with some good ideas of your own. Now, those are 2 places. There are more places. They're called mucous membranes. So that your eyes, your nose, your mouth, your throat, those places, most of the time for humans, the mucus is meant to trap germs and things like dust that could cause problems when you breathe, so that you sneeze it out or you cough it out to get rid of it. Good job, guys. Thanks for your help. Back to slugs. Their goblet cells produce tiny granules of mucus. These granules are capable of absorbing water, and they can absorb 100 times their own volume in water. That helps the slime become slippery enough for them to slip over the rocks and dirt of the forest floor, or sticky enough to climb up a tree and eat the leaves off of it. Let's talk about what state of matter slime is. So, previously in class, we've talked about liquids and solids. If you remember, liquids have molecules that are able to move around each other in random patterns, just all different ways. Solids, the molecules are packed a little closer, they don't move around each other, and they're kind of like in rows. Well, for slime, a slime is a liquid crystal. That is somewhere in between a liquid and a solid. The molecules in a liquid crystal are lined up, but they are able to move with their neighbors and flow together. Now is the fun part. Now is the time that we're going to make a model of slugs using substances from around the house. We're going to use chocolate syrup, regular syrup, dish soap, jelly, and gel. And we're going to mix water with them, and we're going to put in little slugs made of gummy worms. Then we're going to erase them and see which substance has them go down the board the fastest. Thanks.